Good morning students. Today we are going to learn one question related with our 15th topic. Okay. Rewrite the sentence using the tenses indicate in the brackets. We want to frame sentences according to instructions in brackets. Okay, look here. Here is one bracket. According to these instructions, we want to make the sentences, given sentences. Future perfect tense. It is a instruction or indicate in the bracket the tense of that sentence we want to prepare. Okay, look here. Here is one sentence. She is opened her present. Okay, or she has opened her present. This sentence we want to convert into future perfect tense. Look here. According to future tense, we want to make here. So let's start. She. We write here subject as it is. Then future perfect tense. So we use here will, that indicate the future tense. Okay, and perfect. So we use here have. Okay, she will have. Then verb third form, that is past participle, that is open. Then we want to write the remaining part as it is. Her present. Full stop. Okay, she will have opened her present. This is a future perfect tense. I hope you understood how to convert the given sentence into indicate or according to instructions. Future perfect tense, that is the we know the formula of future perfect tense. According to that formula, we can make our sentence into future perfect tense, that is she will have opened her present. Okay, दिलेल्या सूचनानुसार आपल्याला काळ बदलायचा आहे. इथं फ्युचर परफेक्ट टेन्स करायला सांगितले, त्यामुळे आपण फ्युचर परफेक्ट टेन्स केलेला आहे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट second sentence, will you lend me your tennis racket? Look here, it is interrogative sentence or it is yes no type क्वेश्चन. हा वर्बल क्वेश्चन आहे. येस नो टाइप क्वेश्चन सुद्धा आपण याला म्हणू शकतो. आणि दिलेला येस नो टाइप क्वेश्चन्स आपल्याला काय करायचं, वी वांट टू मेक सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन वी वांट टू चेंज द गिवन सेंटेन्स इनटू सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स. दिलेलं वाक्य आपल्याला कशामध्ये सिंपल साध्या भूतकाळामध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. ओके, बट द मीनिंग विल, that means we want to change meaning. Okay, only we want to change the tense. फक्त आपल्याला टेन्स बदलायचा आहे. ओके, look here, will you lend me your tennis racket? According to question, according to this question we want to make also one question, but only minor change, that is we want to change the tense. आपल्याला फक्त काळ बदलायचा आहे आणि प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य जशास तसं ठेवायचे. ओके, simple past, in simple past we use did form. Okay, in present we use do or does form according to subjects. वर्तमान काळामध्ये आपण कर्त्यानुसार डू आणि डज वापरतो. त्याच पद्धतीने सिंपल पास्ट मध्ये प्रश्न बनवताना, प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य बनवताना आपण काय करतो, did हा हेल्पिंग वर्बचा उपयोग करत असतो. ओके, according to this. Okay, so let's start. Did, then we want to write the subject as it is, did you. Okay, then verb first form already given, so write as it is, lend. Okay, when we use did, ज्यावेळेस वाक्यामध्ये आपण did यूज करतो त्यावेळेस नेहमी क्रियापदाचं फर्स्ट फॉर्म येतो. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस did we always use verb first form, verb first form. Okay, क्रियापदाचं पहिलं रूपच वापरतो. So that we use here lend, then write the other thing as it is. Did you lend me your tennis racket? Okay, look here, racket, and then as it is question mark. Did you lend me your tennis racket? Question mark. It is a simple past tense. If we remove did, then the verb automatically convert into second type. That means verb first form, verb second form, and then verb third form, like that. Okay. Now the third sentence is given here. Did you go to the market on the Wednesday? We want to convert this sentence into simple future tense. We want to convert this sentence into simple future tense. Okay, according to this sentence, okay, let's start. It is also one question. It is also verbal question. So, according to simple future tense, we use here will. Okay, will. Will you? Then helping verb, then verb, main verb as it is. Will you go to the market on Wednesday? Then question mark as it is. Okay, it shows the simple future tense. Simple future tense. In that tense we use will plus verb first form, and it is a question. A question आहे त्यामुळे आपण स्टार्टिंगला काय करत असतो, हेल्पिंग वर्ब घेत असतो व्हर्बल असल्यामुळे, आणि त्यानंतर करता. पण जनरली आपण काय करतो, वाक्याची सुरुवात आपली कशाने असते, करत्याने. इन जनरली वी स्टार्ट आवर सेंटेन्स with the help of subjects, but in question or in yes no type question we start the sentence with helping verb to ask question. Okay, I hope you understood how to write or how to convert the given sentence into indicating the instructions simple future tense. Now the fourth sentence is here. Priya had just arrived at the train station. Okay, we want to convert past perfect tense. Okay, this sentence related with present perfect tense, so we want to make past perfect tense. Let's start. Priya had. Okay, in past perfect tense we use had. Look here, just is used in present, so we use opposite word of that just, that is already. That means we want to change the tense. आपल्याला काळ बदलायचा आहे, just मध्ये नुकतीच, पण आपल्याला त्याचा opposite action वापरायचे, त्यामुळे आपण काय वापरणार, we use here already these words. Already, arrived, then remaining part as it is, arrived at the train station. At the train station. Full stop. In this way, we can convert past perfect tense. Okay, here is one new word, just. So we want to convert this word also into past tense. So we write here that past already. That means look. It shows the past form of that action. Just मध्ये नुकतीच आताच आलेली, पण आपल्याला त्याचं अपोजिट करायचं की भूतकाळामध्ये आलेली. So we use here already. Okay. Now the fifth sentence is here. Look here. Tom wears his blue tracksuit to football training, doesn't he? It is also one question tag. Look here. So we want to write this sentence into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay, it is a present tense, so we want to write the past continuous tense formula, and then we want to write also the interrogative, that means question tag form. Okay, look here. Tom was wearing, past continuous tense, was plus verb ing form, was plus verb ing form, then write the remaining sentence. Okay, wearing his blue tracksuit, okay, tracksuit to football training. Okay, look here. Football training Then you want to write the question tag. Okay, question tag according to this meaning. Was, look here, here is was, so we want to write wasn't. Okay, look here, the subject is third person singular and tense is present, so we use here doesn't. साधा वर्तमान काळ आणि करता तृतीय पुरुष एकवचनी म्हणून आपण डझंट घेतलेला आहे. वाक्य होकारार्थी असल्यामुळे आपण टॅग नकारार्थी केलेला आहे की वाक्य होकारार्थी असल्यामुळे आपण टॅग नकारार्थी करणार, पण कुठल्या असा करणार पास्टचा. ओके, हे प्रेझेंट होतं, हे पास्ट आणि ते पण कंटिन्युअस म्हणतात. ओके, लुक हियर, comma, then write was and then negative form, that is wasn't. According to the subject, wasn't he. Okay, wasn't he, and then put question. It is a question. Like according to this past continuous tense, we write the sentence. I hope you understand this question, how to write or solve according to instructions tense form. Okay, the remaining part of this lesson we will see in